Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Oanda login problem. If you're trying to log into your Oanda account on your iPhone and it's not working, maybe it says invalid credentials, keep loading or shows an error message, not worry. Login issues are usually caused by the incorrect details, network problem, outdated apps, and let's fix it step by step. The most common is the incorrect credentials. When you open to your Oanda, carefully re-enter your email address or username, make sure there are no extra spaces before or after your password, and check the cap lock as well. And you can also check your internet connection. You can go to your notifications bar. Over here, you can switch between the Wi-Fi and the mobile data, or you can also turn on the airplane mode on for the 10 seconds, then turn it off, then try logging it again. And sometimes an outdated version of the app can prevent the login as well. You can go to your app store and check for your Oanda app, and if there's any update icon available beside the open, you can select the update, and after updating, reopen the app and try again as well. And that is it. This is how you can fix the Oanda login problem. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.